Welcome to our channel. Today we how to request a wire transfer from TD Bank Funds Transfer Guide step by step clearly. To request a wire transfer from TD Bank, begin by gathering the necessary information. You will need the recipient's name, address, and banking details. Make sure you have the recipient's account number and the bank's routing number. If you're transferring internationally, obtain the recipient's SWIFT code as well. Log into your TD Bank online banking account. Navigate to the Transfer section of the menu. Select the option for wire transfers. Choose whether you want to send a domestic or international wire transfer. If it's domestic, enter the recipient's banking information as prompted. For international transfers, fill in the required fields for the recipient's bank, including the SWIFT code. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Double-check all the details for accuracy before proceeding. Review any fees associated with the wire transfer. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. TD Bank may send you a confirmation through email or text once the transfer is initiated. Keep a record of the transaction reference number for your records. If you encounter any issues, contact TD Bank's customer support for assistance. Your wire transfer should usually be completed within 1 to 2 business days. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.